Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Saprida. I am a student from the North Sumatra State Islamic University. Here, I wanted to discuss about the commutative nature of the countdown operation. Okay, let's go to the example. 39 times 56 is blank 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 times 39. Well, ladies and gentlemen, before we solve the problem, we must know the commutative nature. The commutative nature is also called exchange. So, exchange the front to back and back to front. If added or multiplied, the value will be the same. So, for the first commutative nature is commutative to the sum, where the formula is A plus B is sum to B plus A. And the second commutative of multiplication and formula A times B sum B times A. After we know what is the commutative nature, now we continue to work on this problem. From this problem, write down 39 times 56 is 1 times 39. Well, as I explained earlier, that we change the number from to back. And now imagine 39 is A and 56 is B. If formulated, the value will be sum B times A. Here, the value here is B and B, that is